Yo, 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 what's going on YouTube? What's up to my RC fam? Back with another video, and this time got some more custom parts for the Limitless. Yeah, as you can see, front splitter, the rear wing, Limitless. I got these parts again from Stupid RC Parts from eBay.com. Same place I got my parts for my Vendetta, but these are going on here on that Limitless, baby. Alright, I'm gonna get these parts installed. It's gonna be a while for me, but it's gonna be seconds for y'all. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. But like I said, it took seconds for y'all, but it took quite a while for me. I'm about to show y'all what it look like now. Alright, so this is the front. It's the new splitter. They got the Limitless name on both. These are the top splitters that go on top. Alright, I'll show you the rear wing. We got the Limitless. Design fast, design tough. This is what the side look like. The opposite side looks the same. Yeah, it took me a while, especially the screws in the back. Man, I had a whole bunch of screws, but you don't, with this package right here, you don't get no screws, so you have to use the screws from the Limitless that's already on here. And it came with something else. It came with this wire, so I guess I'm gonna show you in the back this wire right here. So I guess, let me see, zoom in. This piece right here, you could hook it up to, like, I guess electronic or something, to another a servo, and you can control it on your remote control, your transmitter, I mean. And you probably like a third channel, and you could, as you see, the wing is adjustable. It's all the way up, and you can put it flat down. Screws right here to tighten it in wherever position you want it. But like I was saying, you could probably hook it up to a servo and control it with the transmitter, third channel, and it'll go up and down, I guess, by itself. But yeah, once again, I got this from Stupid RC Parts on eBay.com. As you can see, show you the front again. Give you a top view of it. I'm liking it. It's kind of heavy too. I thought it was, at first when I got it, I thought it was plastic, but it's not plastic. It's like you can hear that. It's metal. It got a little weight to it. But yeah. So my Limitless now with the new splitter, front splitter, and the rear wing. Next time you see this, it'll be outrunning it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.